Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this 16-inch LED ring light. I did receive this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in finding out more about this item, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a really nice retail box. Showing you it's got an ultra thin design, 360-degree flicker-free light source. So looks really cool, guys. Again, they got the 16-inch checked right there. Same everything on this side of the box as well. So now let's go ahead, let's open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice stand for the light. We have two different mounts. One's going to be for a camera like a DSLR, and one's going to be for your smartphone, and you can position this one however you want, portrait or landscape, and it's adjustable to fit your phone. We have the two threads you're going to need for each of those mounts to just attach to the light itself. We have a really nice instruction guide showing you with complete imagery and everything else how to set this up, what the product's supposed to look like. It's in color, has nice images, great little guide right there. And then last but not least, we have your power cord right here to attach to the light. The ring light itself looks phenomenal right here. Love how slim this design is. They're totally right. I've seen some of these ring lights that are really thick, you know, out to here. This is great. Super slim profile. You can see the mounting base at the bottom that will attach to the stand, and then we can rotate the light 180 degrees however we want to position it. On the back, you can see right here, we got your on and off switch where the power cable plugs into. We can dim the light right here with this nice button, and we can control the color temperature with the other knob. We can control the color temperature anywhere from 3200 kelvins to 5600 kelvins. And again, these threads just go right in here, and you can then attach whatever adapter you want. We also have, it looks like a mounting bracket on the back too, which is really cool. So that's really nice, guys. It comes with a great travel case as well. If you recognize the brand, they've been on my channel before. I reviewed one of their 6-inch LED ring lights that's RGB as well, that has colors, and that's really cool. So be sure to check out that video on my channel as well. And they got this nice traveling case right there. You can see we have a little pocket on the back, and it just looks really nice. So we'll be able to even carry the stand right here in that back pocket. And then we can fit the light obviously in there with the rest of the stuff from the kit. So now let's go ahead, let's get it set up. Before I place it on the floor, just want to show you guys, I extended the base leg some, so now we have a nice foundation and footing to work on to install the actual LED light. So that looks great. You can just adjust it right here if you want this to be higher or lower depending on how you're going to use the light. And then everything else is going to be really easy to do. So first up, let's go ahead. Let's put the power cord on. So we're going to go ahead, plug it in right there. So we got to just loosen it up. So we got the cord already. Just plug it in just like that. Now, honestly, we're ready to go to attach it to this base right here. So you can see how we're going to do this is just really simple. So we got it on just like that. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to tighten this on. So keep tightening that in. And now everything else can be snug too. Now there you go. It's already on there and all ready to then be adjusted this way as well. So how do we want the light to be? How about right there for now? And now it's all ready to go, guys. That's how simple installation was. So let's go ahead, let's plug it in and power it on. Now the light's powered on. You can see how bright it is. We have it at the warmest color temperature. Now we can start changing the color. You can see how cool the light is getting. So there we go. We have it at the coolest light setting as well. That's going to be your 5600 kelvins. And let's go back down to your 3200 kelvins right there, and then we can kind of just cycle back up to the 5600 kelvins. So that's a decently bright light, guys. That was at the full brightness. Now we can dim it. So there's it dimmed down all the way. It's not on. There it is on, and now we can keep increasing the brightness, and you can really see it reflecting off the table right there. But this is a bright light, going to be great for your makeup tutorials, for filming, studio lights, product photography, product videos, portraits, anything where you want to be able to control the brightness and the color temperature. This is going to be a great light for you. Now let's go ahead, let's install the smartphone mount. So for the smartphone mount, again, we got that little threaded adapter right here. Doesn't matter which side you use, they're both the same. So if you want, you can screw it in there and then screw it onto there, or you could just screw this onto there and then screw the smartphone adapter onto it as well. So once you have it in there, again, you just gently start going around in circles. And now you have it on and it's all ready to go for you. And then you can just rotate it whichever way you want, depending on what you need to do and how you want your phone to be positioned. So I got a Google Pixel 3a smartphone right there. Now I just got to tighten that back down, and now it's ready to take some portrait photos or videos. Or hey, we want to actually take some landscape videos or photos. There we go. We're ready to be able to use it just like that. And then obviously I can slide it more into the center if I want, depending on, again, what I'm shooting and what look I'm trying to capture, that sort of thing. So again, if you do a lot of like makeup tutorials, this is going to be an awesome light for you to be able to showcase your products and how everything, you know, looks and can work, that sort of thing. So that's what's really cool. Is like, hey, I want to film this beauty tutorial. I can use this light because it's going to be up close to my face, but I can also still have my iPhone in there as well. So I'm going to be using this as some extra studio lights around here, if you're wondering, but it's basically has unlimited uses. It could even be used as a lamp or a reading light if you really wanted. So anyways, I'm definitely impressed with this product. Super simple and easy to set up and use. You just got two knobs to control on the back and a power on and off switch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out below. We'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. If you could give us a follow on social media as well, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. That would be spectacular. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.